of the ceiling fans in the town. You have to catch them in the stores. Yeah, that white car is mine. Hopefully we'll stop and get a view of one.
Watch, yeah, we'll get over lights.
There's a light up there, which probably will turn red. But we'll see. Yeah, it turned red. Perfect. There's some fans there. There's a Hampton Bay Quick Connect in there. You can barely see it, but it's a Hampton Bay Quick Connect on high. In case you can't see that, that's what it is. And I think that's it. Yeah. Goodbye, Hampton Bay Quick Connect.
Charlie knows too much about fans. It's like a fan.
There's actually there was an ice cream store which had one, but they closed. Maybe I'm not remembering something else from a mall which had one. An unknown builder fan. Yep. Now the light turned green. And there's these Harbor Breeze classic styles and a laundromat around here, which I'll make a video of. They're in brass. They're the old ones. But
Really?
it's up there. In case you can't see, that's the laundromat, that blue building. It's actually nicer inside. And there's a bagel place with the white and red. Yeah. Thanks for watching and bye.